Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So finally the day has come where when I'm going to upload this Jaipur vlog. It's been almost 2 months. I think we visited Jaipur like in the month of December, and now I'm going to upload this video on my channel. See, this is all about my memories. It's not about views or anything else. I just want to make sure that in future when I want to watch any such video with my kids, my husband doing fun, so I can have the easy access, and for that reason I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. So this is the morning time. We all three had a breakfast and now it's time to enjoy. They were enjoying on this play area. It's a small play area in the hotel room. So they were playing while their father was also here. So I asked him to be with Priyansh so that I can also record him. Usually, you know that he is a kind of shy person. He rarely appears in any of my video. So this is the right moment. So that is why I had asked him to be with Priyansh. And then these two are creating short slow motion videos. Yes, Priyansh is quite cooperative, I can say that, but Mitansh is not. We asked so many times to Mitansh that please be proper, but he was not doing it properly. Look at Priyansh, he is doing really nicely. So it's just a walking step, and I recorded the same in slow motion, and it's really amazing. So now let's go and now we out going to the Pink City. So this is the first destination. We were trying to visit first. What do we call that? I forgot the name. Oh my god, it's been 2 months. So I just forget the name of that museum. So yesterday night, like the day before this, we went to there, but it was all closed. The park, we did not get the parking as well. So we thought of exploring it like in the morning. So first is the museum we had visited. ये रहा सामने म्यूजियम.
स्टैचू देखने आए क्या?
मम्मी, इसमें मम्मी है.
मम्मी
So finally we reached to the museum, and it kept raining whole day. So the day was not that productive. Throughout the day it had rained, but somehow I feel that we had explored enough monuments, and we have explored and enjoyed the day to the fullest. You know what I feel is that museums are really nice place to visit from the kids perspective, because kids are someone who is really curious to know about everything, and especially the age like 6 or 7 years old kids, they're so much curious. So I remember like Mitansh also, he was asking me something and something, and I kept telling him that Mitansh, this is that, and obviously even I did not have much knowledge about the place, or but there is this reading material always available, so I was reading from there, and I was just telling him that this is that and all. So it was really nice experience until I saw that mummy. Oh my god, there was this mummy, and there was this what do we say, ultrasound x-ray. There was this x-ray of that mummy's bones was hanging on the wall, and it was only so that puppet show was quite fascinating, and my both of my children, they loved it. And after that we were just clicking few pictures and creating reels and videos. As you already know that I'm really fond of clicking pictures and making videos. And now we were on the way to reach another destination, which is Jal Mahal.
बंद है डोर क्लोज है लेकिन
And
अच्छा
on the way we had explored a few temples, and there are so many things we had explored only on the way. And like we had
नहीं
roamed
हो रहा
get into the place which is not exactly the Jal Mahal, but this is the place which is behind that. So we thought of, okay, it's
साइड से
like
आ
a
जाओ
good
ना
time we went there. And we had seen so many pigeons at a place, and my kids, they both were really excited. And especially the younger one, he likes the pigeon a lot, and he was laughing really hard that time. And now he slept during the walking. And after walking for a while, we had realized, no, this is not the place we had to go. So we then take back and भीड़ है यार यहाँ पे फार्म.
तब तक ये खा लेंगे
आ जाओ फिर उसको एक सबको पॉकेट में
मितांश उसको खिलाना, तो देखो पापा को खिला रहा है कितने प्यार से.
ये दादा को खिला
जाओ अब. ऐसे नहीं हंसता है कभी फोटो खिंचाने के टाइम पे. So finally you can see the Jal Mahal, but just because of fog we couldn't capture it properly. Even we could not able to see it properly. But you can see what is it. But it was really nice. I wish I could capture it nicely. We also purchased a few magnets from this particular place, and those two were of my son's choice, and he wanted to have them. Next room.
Ostrow.
So it was Priyashin who loved a lot. And there is this camel. He was asking us to have a camel ride, but it was night and evening time, so I just ignored it and we didn't go there. After that, we went to Amber Palace, but because of rush, we couldn't get the parking and all, so we decided not to go there, and we went back. We came back to normal in the center of Jaipur city. So it is Hawa Mahal. I'm capturing it from the window of my car where Priyansh is screaming a lot. And this is the night time we went there to actually celebrate my birthday. But we didn't celebrate there. We just get the cake and we cut the cake in our hotel room. So the place, it is called Gulabi Nagari. This was suggested by one of my cousins, and it's really a nice place. It's quite picturesque, and we had a great time there. We had seen like few foreign people are also were also there, and they were having their food. And the ambience was quite nice, comfortable. Priyansh started playing here and there. Mitansh also started playing, and they both were fresh because they both were fresh. It's because we took a break and we went to hotel.
वापस आ गया,
We
सटर
took a
सटर
nap
करके
for
वापस आ
1 or 2 hours, and then we again started on our trip, on our journey. So Mitansh, he was waiting for the dinner, and we took a very light dinner. I remember. I don't know what was that. Okay, let me see. Even I do not remember what I had on that day. I think there was this platter. I don't remember the exactly which platter it was, but there was this platter we ordered, and it was like one platter is enough for all three. Because Priyansh, we did not give him the outside food, and when I went back to hotel, I ordered a few chapatis and milk for my younger one. Because if you're traveling, it's not good to feed your children with outside food all the time. We should make it simple. So we
Niara.
So we had our dinner, and again this is the picture times. And Mitansh, he just ran towards this pic, and he started behaving like he's a girl, and then he realized, okay, it's not something made for me, and he just going here and there. And
जाओ
then
उधर जाओ मितांश मितांश वो
and
दे इधर
the area is really
वो
nice.
देखो
Now Papa and Beta. I was creating their slow-mo reels.
मैं
So this is the front side of this restaurant, which is Gulabi Nagri, and it is all pink there actually. Even you can see the lighting, it has a purple effect. So now this is the last destination of today, which is Hawa Mahal, and it's around 10:30 at night, and we were exploring it from the outside. We didn't go there actually, but we have enjoyed from the outside. The lightning effect was really nice. It was all lit up. It was really nice to visit Jaipur, and I try to visit again because I was not feeling satisfied. I had missed a few places, so we'll plan soon again. And now you can see the beauty of Hawa Mahal from outside, and I'm capturing it from my car. I'm not. Look at that! It's so nice, so lovely. The whole city is actually pink, and that's why it is called Pink City. Now it's your
Happy
birthday,
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karish. Happy birthday to you.
Has anybody noticed the glasses
May
of my son?
God
It's
bless
not in the
you.
center.
May God bless you. एक मिनट मितांशु दोबारा
सारा मत खा ले